Welcome to our InvisiLights online training. My name is Armando, and I'm going to be your instructor throughout this whole training. One thing I want to let you know, and I'm excited about with this training, it is broken up into sections. We did that for several reasons, and the main one is you might remember, oh, Armando talked about a certain cut. So you can go to the section that talks about doing the cuts on the aluminum channel in the right section. So that's what's great about this online training. The other thing I wanted to let you know that as you're doing this InvisiLights online training, write down any questions, any thoughts, because we're going to hit you with a lot of information. And probably we will answer that question, but in case we don't, you've taken the time to write it down, and then you know, oh, we never answered this. If that's the case, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, email, and I would be more than happy to answer any questions or concerns that we did not cover in this online training. And lastly, for those of you that are dealers, you have unlimited access to this training, meaning you can come back to it over and over again, or if you hire a new installer, you can have that be part of their new day orientation, where maybe they sit down in your conference room or your office and they watch the training section by section. So that will be more of a benefit for you dealers that have lifetime access to this online training. All right, let's get ready. Let's dive in. Before we get started, make sure you printed out the PDF workbook that we would have sent you in a recent email. If you don't have that printed off or you didn't receive that email, go ahead, hit pause and email me right away and say, hey, Armando, I need that PDF book form, or go ahead and print it out. We want to make sure that you're following along in the training and that you can use that as a manual for your InvisiLights installs or any training questions you may have down the road. I'm excited for you and your company as you start this new adventure in adding InvisiLights to your business.